Itang kape na ito, ay itang coffee maker ito, mga lang almost 500,000. Andito po kami sa bagong open na Kapian Halara Coffee. Halara came from the Greek word means relax and to chill. Yung pala yung meaning ng Halara. It's a Greek word. So this is a new place. Owned by Mark Manchas. Ito yung mga kaibigan niya from Lakmit. Mga supporters. Mga pinsan. So, try nyo po. Masarap yung coffee and food. With magic, romantic music. Ito po si yung owner, Mr. Machas. Still looking young and kicking. Halara Coffee Shop.